Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for the third year running to Paris, France. Here we'll be meeting returning captain from last year, Jeff, also known as HOUNGOUNGAGNE. It's going to be a blast. Let's go and have some fun.
Oh my goodness, Jeff! He hits two, Chad! Unbelievable scenes! Jeff's fired up. The French are back. This is the resistance.
Welcome everybody and welcome to join the Republic. The auditions in France are taking place right now. I'm going to select 4 players to go with me to Sweden. I want to win this year because last year a certain Polish called Isaac kicked us out, so he's going to be the target. We have to take him down this year. So I want you guys to show what you got and good luck to everybody.
We have 2 days, which is an open qualifier, where people come on stage, raise their hands as if, hey, I'm a nobody, I want to try, come in. He comes, shows himself, he plays decent, he comes back and then qualifies.
I saw the tournament last year and I wanted so bad to be in the team because you're representing your country. That's not something you can do very often.
J'ai envie d'être pro. Je donne tout pour être pro. Et puis, il n'y a que la suite qui nous le dira pour moi.
I'm not necessarily looking for someone who kicks headshots, but I want someone who both kicks headshots and has the experience and knows how to handle pressure, because there's going to be pressure in the finals, and I want some guys who are pretty solid at this.
As a captain, HOUNGOUNGAGNE will lead the team. He wants to win, I know it, because last year he lost in demi-finals against Poland team. So I know he wants to get revenge.
Oh, I can definitely find some great players. I think I've already found some. I mean, between you and I, I'm not sure I'm going to teach them a lot, so hopefully they're going to teach me more than I teach them.
You have to be prepared to be here because there is a lot of good players. It's very hard to be chosen by Jeff.
Et ça va être la fin de cette rencontre. Numéro 8 est au sol, est éliminé, c'est remporté. On peut les applaudir s'il vous plaît.
It's the final day here at Paris Games Week in France, and the pressure is truly on for our captain Jeff, as now he must finally make a decision.
To qualify, which is bronze.
I'm feeling happy because I got picked, but I didn't expect it, you know. I think it's about the thing that I put my teammates ahead of me when I play.
The second one who qualified has been tremendously good in this game. And welcome on stage, Mizuta.
Je vais être fier de représenter mon pays et je pense qu'on a toutes les capacités pour réussir dans son art.
Jesus Christ, he's good. Mimi, welcome aboard.
Je veux rencontrer l'équipe polonaise pour prendre ma revanche de l'année dernière qui ont battu l'équipe française en demi-finale.
I'm going to choose for my last player.
Un shout-out pour les adversaires, je vous attends sur le serveur et vous allez prendre des sacrés coups d'AWAP.
Et bravo à tout le monde qui a participé, Brise, rendez-vous l'année prochaine, pareil pour tout le monde.
My role in the JTR team, I guess, will be to cheer them up because I've been there already, I know how it's going to work. I also want to practice way much more than we did last year because we lost against Zyko, the Polish guys, and this year we're coming for them. So we want to, guys, we want to bring it on. Jeff has done it once again, ladies and gentlemen, and found a hungry group of French Counter-Strike players to join him and his team for the rest of the competition.
Thank you very much for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Powered by Intel Core i7 processor.